Hey kids, for the lines and quadrilaterals lesson, I'm asking you to go to a couple of websites and take a screenshot and paste it into a Google Doc. So here's how you do that. First, I'll read these and then I'll show it to you. You hold down the Control and then press the Switch key. You click on Copy to Clipboard. You go to the doc, making sure that the cursor is flashing. And see, like this cursor is not flashing. So what I have to do is I have to just click on the dock and then it starts flashing. If it's not flashing or blinking, you won't be able to paste anything into it. And that's a mistake a lot of people make. Press Control V and then boom, there it is. So I want to take a screenshot of this. Okay. So first I go to my keyboard. The Switch key is right there. That one. I'm going to hold down Control and I'm going to push the Switch key. That's what shows up. So down here it says Copy to Clipboard, and I'm going to push that button, Copy to Clipboard. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the dock. I'm going to make sure that the cursor is flashing. I want to click down one because I don't want it to show up right where boom is. And then I'll show it you without doing it. I'm just going to push Control and V. Okay, so here's what happens when I push Control V. Control V. And nothing happened. Nope, it did. Okay, that proves that I needed to be a little bit patient. Then you can move the picture around if you want. That's completely and totally up to you, and you can play with that. But that's how to take a screenshot, and that's what you're going to need to do this lesson. Thanks.